Hello students. In this video, we will see about an important topic, generative functions. Okay. Generative function is used to solve the recurrence relations. Okay. Before going to how to solve recurrence relations, first we will see something about generative functions. Okay. What is generative function? Suppose generative function is a infinite series. Generative function is a infinite series, that is generative function. Generative function is a infinite series. Infinite series denoted by g of s comma x or g of x. G of x. So this is what g of x equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n, that is a naught plus a1 x plus etc., that is a2 x square plus etc. Okay, where a naught comma a1 comma a2 etc. is a sequence. S equal to n equal to 0 to 850. Okay, it is called generative function. Okay, now we will see some examples. Okay, where first one is sequence. General term, that is an, and generating function. Okay, the first one, the general format, that is a naught, a1, a2 etc. It is a sequence where general term is given by an. So what is generative function? A naught plus a1 x plus a2 x square plus etc. That is summation n equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n. Okay. Another next example. Okay. Very important example. That is 1 etc. where general term an equal to 1. Okay, then what is the generative function? 1 plus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x2 plus etc. Okay, so 1 plus x square plus x2 plus etc. We know that it is a well famous series, geometric series, and it is value is 1 minus x whole power minus 1, that is 1 by 1 minus x, where x is strictly less than 1. Modulus value of x is less than 1. Okay. The next one, well-known example is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So where an equal to this is a naught, this is a1, this is a2, this is a3. So a naught means 1, a1 means a2 means 3, f3 means 4. So an means n plus 1. So what is this? 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus etc. So it is also one famous infinite series, that is the value is 1 minus x whole power 2. That is 1 minus x whole power minus 2, where modulus x is less than 1. Okay. Next, some more important examples. 4 a, that is 1 a square, a cube, etc. Okay, where an is a power n. An is a power n. So, generating function is 1 plus ax whole square plus etc. This is one of the famous examples. So, same geometric series, that is 1 by 1 minus ax, that is 1 minus ax is whole power minus 1, where mod ax is less than 1. Okay. Okay. These are the some most important examples. So we will, when we solve the recurrence relations, we must know the following these three generative functions. Okay. And what are the steps to solve recurrence relation? We will see now what are the steps to solve the given recurrence relations. For example, consider one recurrence relation. Recurrence relation. C naught an plus C1 an minus 1 plus etc. plus CR an minus r is equal to f of n. Consider recurrence relation where recurrence relations. Okay, first step 1. Step 1, multiply x power n on both sides. First step. Next, step 2, take summation n equal to n naught to infinity on both sides. Okay, take n equal to n naught on both sides, where n naught is in question they given n naught, that is n is greater than or equal to n naught. So this is a n naught. In question they already given the n recurrence relation is true for all n greater than or equal to n naught. So we use n naught here. Okay. Then apply generative function definition on both sides. Okay. Find g of x, then g of x, that is summation n equal to 0 to infinity an x power n. Okay, then which implies an equal to coefficient of x power n. This is our answer. Okay, these are the steps to solve the recurrence relations. Okay, now before going to solve given recurrence relations, we will see some tips. Okay, how to we need some tips. Okay, to work out the problem easily. Okay, what are the tips? First, some tips. Some tips. Okay, these tips are very helpful to solve our given recurrence relations. The first tip. Sometimes where n equal to I infinity a n minus j x power n. Sometimes in our when we apply summation symbol to solve recurrence relation using generative function, here maybe some other letters other than 0. Okay, maybe 1, 2, 3 maybe come, and here also 0. So what is the generative function for this? Okay, I give a simple example, simple idea. First, write g of x. G of x is some, that is generative function of the relation. And okay, now we want to subtract some terms. We want to subtract some terms. Okay, okay. The terms are minus a naught, minus a1 x, minus a2 x square plus etc. Okay, now we subtract some terms from g of x. Okay, so how many terms we want to subtract? How many terms we want to subtract? The number of terms we want to subtract is the difference between I and j. Okay, I and j, that is, where is I, where is j? So we need I minus the difference between I minus a terms, subtract from g of x. Okay, and then multiply x power this j. Okay, this is j. Okay, it's a very useful tips to solve recurrence relation. Some example. Suppose n equal to 1 to infinity a n minus 2 x power n. Okay, then what is the value? G of x minus, we subtract some terms. How many terms? Here 2, here is 1, so 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so we need to subtract one term. One term is a naught, and then multiply by x power this 2 x square. Okay, one more example we will see. Suppose n equal to 0 to infinity a n plus 2 x power n. Okay, a n plus 2 x power n. So g of x minus how many terms we want to subtract? Here 0, here we write n minus of minus 2, because in general format n minus j, so we write n plus 2 as n minus of minus 2. So we subtract minus 2 minus 0, that is 2 terms. The difference between minus 2 and 0 is 2. The distance between, that is my difference means distance. The distance between minus 2 minus 1 0. The distance between minus 2 and 0 is 2. So we need to subtract 2 terms. Okay. What are the sub terms? A naught minus a1x, and we multiply x power minus 2. Okay, this is one of the most important tips to solve recurrence relations. Okay, and then okay, using these tips we can solve our recurrence relations. Okay, students. In next video, we solve some problem using solving recurrential using generative function method concepts. Okay.